Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to easily find the WhatsApp web QR code in 2025. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or any browser you're comfortable with. Next, go to the official WhatsApp webpage by typing web.whatsapp.com into the address bar and pressing Enter. As soon as the page loads, you'll see a QR code appear in the center of your screen. This is the code you'll use to link your phone to WhatsApp web. Now open the WhatsApp app on your phone, go to Settings, then tap Linked Devices. Choose the option to link a new device. Your phone's camera will open, pointed at the QR code on your computer screen, and once it scans, your phone will instantly connect to WhatsApp web. And that's it. You're now connected, and you can chat, share files, and manage conversations directly from your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.